Is it a boy? Is it a girl? The suspense is driving me crazy. So today I'm going to show you how to make gender reveal chocolate bombs using some melted chocolate in white, pink, and blue and some other tools that we're going to go through right now. Here's my mold, and I have a plastic toothpick that I've dipped in melted blue chocolate. And as you can see, I'm dipping it onto the mold to create a dot pattern. So I'm going to continue to do that in all the cups there. And since this is a gender reveal themed chocolate bomb, I'm going to add melted pink chocolate to add to the theme. Now that that's all done, I'm going to put this in the fridge to harden. Alright, it's out of the fridge, and now I'm going to add the white melted chocolate. So I just took a dollop, about a tablespoon, and I put them in the cups. I'm actually only going to work on 4 of the cups, not all the 6. And I'm going to try to move around the chocolate, but as you can see, it's not really budging. So what I'm going to do is take this tablespoon and gently work the chocolate to cover the entire part of the cups. So you want to do this gently so you don't take off the dots that are on the mold. So just continue going on. Add some more chocolate to make sure everything is covered. You want it to be covered throughout the entire cup of the mold. And it's very important to add some extra on the outside, as you see me doing there, because this is going to be very important when it comes to putting both pieces of the chocolates, both halves of the sphere together. And then wiping it across like that helps create that ridge. Very, very important. So that's the finished product, at least so far. Next, you're going to want to flip the mold upside down, as you see me doing there, and put it in the fridge to harden. So I've gone ahead and done those steps, and now I'm going to turn it over, and I can see the cups. Okay, so I'm going to very gently loosen up the cups there on the mold, and then release the chocolate half circle. So there is the first one. Okay. Now in a separate container, I have some lemon extract, and I added some pearl dust. This one's blue because it's going to be a boy gender reveal chocolate bomb. And I just, mix it up, and I painted it to the cup. So this is nice and glittery, and it will add to the surprise of the gender reveal part of the chocolate pop. Alright, so let's let it sit down for a bit and dry, maybe, 5 minutes. And now it's time to add your hot chocolate. So I've got some white hot chocolate here. So I'm just adding it. And now I'm going to add some blue marshmallows, again with the boy gender reveal theme. So if you need to adjust the marshmallows, I suggest putting some gloves on, as you see I have here. And now I need to melt the edge of the chocolate pop. So you see there, this is a hot pan I have that melts the chocolate, and I'm going to very quickly put it on top of the other half of the bomb. So I did this very quickly because that's very important. Now it's good to go, so I'm going to put it in a cupcake wrapper and place it in the fridge so we can harden a bit more. Isn't it adorable? I have some hot steamed milk ready to go. Let's watch this thing pop. Thank you so much for watching my gender reveal chocolate pop video. Make sure you check out my other chocolate pop videos coming up and subscribe to Yay Fun Times. See you later.